impact mapping is all about connecting a strategic goal to technical deliverables or deliverables. And we do that by connecting the goal to actors, to measurable impacts, to deliverables. And this is all about connecting outputs to outcomes. So we ran a little case study. The case study comes from the book that I wrote, that I co-authored, called Pet Battle. And as a group, we built an impact map for this fictitious app, mobile application, where the goal was about generating 100K in revenue from the app with new and existing customer base by the end of the year. And we brainstormed, who are all of the people that can help us achieve this goal? Who are the people that might impede and get in our way? Who are the people we need to collaborate with, the actors? And then what are the impacts or the measurable behavioral changes we want to have on these people, or we want to change in these people in order for our goal to be successful? So for example, the sales team increase the sales of pet food, a sponsorship partner, or the marketing increase the site engagement, which we'll work with the marketing team to do that. So these are all measurable. And then we didn't focus too much on it because there are other practices that help us brainstorm deliverables. But where we had ideas for outputs, for projects, for things that we could build, create, deliver, we would put them up here. So this created an opportunity for us to demonstrate the idea of hypothesis-driven development. And an example is, we hypothesized that if we improve the login and feel of the site, which would be a project, it would be a set of technical work and that needs to be done. We hypothesize that will increase the site engagement. Okay, that's something we can measure. We can measure it now, we can measure it regularly, we can measure it in the future. We will measure it with the marketing team because that's the connected actor. And this is all in an effort to see if we can move towards this goal. So it set the scene nicely for how we work in experiments. We use an experimental, innovative approach. Let's use innovation to try new things out to see if improving the login and look and feel the look and feel of the site is actually going to increase site engagement or not. And this sets nicely then into the whole idea of iterative development, running short experiments, testing things with users, getting feedback from users, because we can then prove or disprove that hypothesis.